Hey guys, in this video I want to share with you guys 3 Android widgets that I found to be really useful in a variety of different categories. So without further ado, let me show you guys them and how you can actually use them. Alright guys, so now that we have the phone loaded up, I want to show you 3 of some of the best Android widgets I think that they're out there. So for 2 of them, you do need to, actually for all of them, you basically need to have certain apps installed, but I do think that they're very reliable apps, and 2 of them are Google apps themselves. So just a preview, so these are the 3 different widgets that we're going to be covering. So this is the overview widget, which gives you time, alarm, it can also give you the weather as well as your calendar. This is just the calendar app, and then this is also the sort of fitness app that shows you how many amount of steps. So let's first get going in terms of getting this app installed. In terms of this, so the app is actually called Another Widget. So it's basically right here, Another Widget. If you guys can see, that is the app name. It's by an independent developer. So I think when you develop, when you go and search it up, it's gonna be some publisher name, like an individual's name that's gonna come up, and that should be the right app, and that's how the icon looks. So how you actually set it up is, let's actually get rid of this. Right here, remove. So how you would do it is you basically go to your normal widgets, hit the widget thing, hold it, bring it up. And once you've sort of brought it up, all you really need to do is simply just select a couple of things. So it's very customizable, as you guys can see. You can choose from a variety of different things. So I can choose a text size, make it go up to 40 pixels, right? If I want it really big. I can also choose a variety of things. So the weather, and say okay. We can just so as you guys can see, there is a bit of a problem here, but instead we can just go with something like this. Events are visible, so let's just hit add. So as you guys can see, now I basically have this open, which I've added, and once I hit okay, it gives me an overview, and I can actually cycle through the various different calendar things that I have going on, which is really nice for me, because I can basically just cycle through everything. And I can also open it in the weather app, and you can also just have it be a standalone time thing or standalone calendar thing, which is really nice. So moving on to this one, I think this is the one that most people have already heard of. But let's go ahead and remove that and go on the same one. And this is the Google Calendar widget, right? So you basically have the Google Calendar installed. And the one I choose is a schedule, just because I think the overall calendar can get a bit messy. And one of the best things I like about it is that it basically adapts your system theme, right? So instead of having the white background as it did in the preview, it actually has a dark theme, which I really like in this case. And yeah, just really nice UI. So the last one is this smartphone sort of fitness widget, which is really nice because, people have like Apple Watches and smartwatches for keeping track of the steps. I think this has a very similar UI, and obviously everyone has a smartphone, so I think this is a much better alternative and free alternative. So let's get started with this one. Let's go ahead and remove it. And how you bring this one in is the same way. They're all through the widget drawer, and you just want to go to the fit, and this is the activity goals right here. So you just want to go here and put it down there, and this just automatically will track all your steps and things like that. And for this one, I think you do have to go out of your way to install it, even though it's a Google app. But yeah, you can just easily install, and then you can also sync it with other apps. So I do have it synced up with my Xiaomi Mi Band, which I am going to be doing a review in a bit. So definitely give a like and comment if you want to see that. But that basically concludes this video. So if you guys did like it, feel free to give it a like and also subscribe. But that's been it for this video. Peace.